I'm going to be making some smoked salmon breakfast croissants. My partner works super early in the morning, and sometimes his ADD acts up, so he forgot to eat the rest of his breakfast, and I'm gonna show up like a hero with some food for him and one of his homies. So we got these croissants from Costco. I'm going to toast them first. They're like 4 days old, so not totally stale. I was also gonna make maybe a bread, like a pumpkin bread pudding this afternoon. He's never had bread pudding, and he was nervous about bread pudding the same reason I was, because soggy bread just sounds gross and weird. But bread pudding is actually fantastic. It is not a low-calorie food and will not make you feel, you know, thin and active afterwards. It's definitely like a comatose on the couch, but that's very much like a lot of southern food that I make. I don't know if I should do these face up, face down. It is early, it's like 8 a.m. Which Sunday on a holiday is early. Maybe I'll do some face down and some face up. We'll see how it goes. Hi! Yay, you're watching! How are you? Happy Halloween! I'm good, thank you for asking. I woke up kind of early and I don't know, I felt a little weird, so I checked my phone, and my fiance texted me that he forgot to eat the rest of his breakfast. He forgot his wallet, he forgot his badges, so he's kind of having a rough morning, and I was like, alright, well maybe that's why the universe woke me up. I'll show up like a knight in shining armor with all your shit and some breakfast. Thank you. I went to the store yesterday to get groceries and got all these compliments on my costume, and I was like, I wear this on a regular basis, but since it's Halloween, sure, we'll go with it's my costume. I have some different flavors of smoked salmon. Oh, hi! You both are in here. Hi friends, thank you. Oh, thanks! I finally got a ring light. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Maybe, hold on. That's kind of cool. It's a little dark though. Whoops, tripped over the dog. Anyway, I got a ring light, so the lighting's a little bit better. The angle's still weird, but I look like I just woke up, so that's why we're just gonna watch my hands. All this stuff is juicy. This is gonna make a mess. There's a packet of honey mustard dill sauce. Okay. Not gonna be fucking with that yet. Hello, look at my boots. Thank you for joining me. Happy Halloween. Oh, my brain is barely working too. Some salmon. I have whipped cream cheese, red onion, a cucumber. I used to use the other cucumbers, and one of my TikToks, I had someone from the internet roast me on, the other ones are covered in like wax, everything's in pesticides, I don't know. So anyway, now I buy the cucumber that comes in a condom. And you guys can't see it, maybe I'll move the camera. I have a sous chef, also my taste tester. She's had a really good morning. She got to eat the rest of the leftover cat food, the rest of his breakfast. Got so much shit on the counter. Okay, this is my baby. See? She's going blind, so she's a little bit all over the place. Kagumba? My arm's going numb? Okay. Thank you. Whoever's watching this, please follow my Twitter. I saw that last night. I was like, oh my Lord. Retweet. And I made it private so my family can't just randomly stalk it and judge me. I feel like unless you are paying someone's bills, you don't really get a say in what they do to make money. Totally forgot to flip the croissants. Hopefully they're okay. I have thin cucumber. What menu are you going to do? I'm making breakfast sandwiches with croissants and smoked salmon, cream cheese, red onion, and I'm going to put cucumber on mine because I like cucumber and the crunch. And then later I'm going to make pumpkin bread pudding. Toasty bread. Look at it. So buttery and toasty and yummy. Onion. Ah! Motor skills still asleep. Alright, sorry about that. I'm gonna peel the onion. Ow, balls. I need to sharpen my knife. Okay, sliced onion. You're hungry right now? Better make you some breakfast. I like to do this masochistic thing where when I'm starving, I look at recipes on Pinterest and get myself just like really fucking worked up. So that when I actually eat, I eat like... I joke that I eat like a snake. I unhinge my jaw, shove it in, swallow. That's what she said. Alright. Cucumber, thing. I would love to say that I'm more organized generally, but I'm not. So we're gonna start with some flaky croissant. Get a whole bunch of cream cheese. Who doesn't love cream cheese? You hear the crunch. I feel like I should put it on both sides. I like a lot of cream cheese on my bagels. Sort of the same deal. Looks like this. I wish I could play music, but I learned Twitch's copyright laws are a lot more intense than TikTok's. So unfortunately, background noise is going to be me rambling. Anybody watching, do you guys have Halloween plans today? I don't have anything planned other than cooking so much food, and we just got a PS5, and I found out one of my favorite games from my childhood, Diablo 2, was released in October, like a week ago. So did backflips, downloaded that last night, and I will probably be streaming. I don't have the whole set up with my camera, so you can't see my panicked face when I'm about to die. But if you want to watch me play an RPG, I'm going to be doing that later. I wish you could feel how warm and crunchy these croissants are. Okay, everything has cream cheese. Quite messy. Let me move some shit out of the way. How to layer. We'll do 3 different kinds of salmon. Where's my package? There's pepper, traditional. And dill, just falling apart. This is the pepper one. So bomb. Whoops. Needs to go on a bottom. Made a taste test. Make sure it's not poison. Oh, his coworker better love me. All right, maybe one for the road. Let's get some cream cheese on this bad boy. And cucumber. If I was keto, this would be my breakfast sandwich. Unfortunately, with the pandemic, I'm fighting depression hella bad. I don't know who isn't. So I just kind of eat whatever I can shove in my face. Alright. We need some red onion. guys see? Kind of. Right. Red onion, check. I like lots of onion. I'm gonna put cucumber on mine. Which, when you're the chef, you get to pick out the prettiest one. That's the fun part about being the chef. So I'm just gonna do this one. And you know what? Fuck it. Never mind. All right, it's salt and pepper. I've been forgetting that on my sandwiches. Game changer. I feel like I should be sponsored by Costco. Half of everything in my kitchen either comes from Costco or the dollar store. So salt and the pepper. Yum. Let me move some of my stuff out of the way so you guys can see. Capers. Holy shit. My God. Almost messed up the whole thing. I love capers. I didn't understand what they were for the longest time. And then when I finally got brave enough to try them, I was like, holy shit. This looks like something fancy people would eat. But really, they are like little balls of salty goodness that pop in your mouth, and they are so good with chicken piccata or this New York style bagel croissant situation. They are kind of wild and fall all over the place, but that's okay. I put them on the sticky side. I haven't figured out how to lower or raise and lower this thing, so I'm just gonna hold this up. Ah, oh Lord. This is what they look like. So I'm going to show up to my fiance's work, hopefully fix his morning and make his coworker's day a little bit better. Nobody likes to work on a holiday. And I will be back streaming this afternoon to make pumpkin bread pudding, and then I think for dinner I'm going to make chicken thighs, potatoes, and I think sauteed spinach. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful morning, and please watch later this afternoon.